People can tell you to keep your mouth shut, but that doesn't stop you from having your own opinion. Feelings can't be ignored, no matter how unjust or ungrateful they seem. Human greatness does not lie in wealth or power, but in character and goodness. Dead people receive more flowers than the living ones because the regret is stronger than gratitude. Whoever is happy will make others happy too. Parents can only give good advice or put them on the right paths, but the final forming of a person's character lies in their own hands. Laziness may appear attractive, but work gives satisfaction. What is done cannot be undone, but one can prevent it happening again. I don't think of all the misery but of the beauty that still remains. No one has ever become poor by giving. A single candle can both define the darkness. Sympathy, love, fortune. We all have these qualities but still tend to not use them. The young are not afraid of telling the truth. Devote less time to sentimentality and focus more time to reality. A person can be lonely even if he is loved by many people, because he is still not the one and only to anyone. Our lives are fashioned by our choices. First, we make our choices. Then our choices make us. Everyone has to decide for himself how to get the better of his own mood. In the long run, the sharpest weapon of all is a kind and gentle spirit. Human greatness does not lie in wealth or power, but in character and goodness. Where there's hope, there's life. It fills us with fresh courage and makes us strong again. An empty day, though clear and bright, is just as dark as any night. I must uphold my ideals, for perhaps the time will come when I shall be able to carry them out. It's utterly impossible for me to build my life on a foundation of chaos, suffering, and death. Think of all the beauty still left around you and be happy.